Two new features learned from Amazon product promotion. System provided popular keywords to site real-time traffic with precision. As one of the most frequently utilized advertising products by Amazon seller, sponsored product has always held a pivotal. In the process of utilizing sponsored products, there are numerous aspects that require sellers to put into extra effort, particularly when it comes to keyword targeting. To further enhance advertising effectiveness, sellers need to invest considerable time in searching for keywords. However, objectively speaking, even sellers with extensive experience may encounter challenges with keyword targeting. For instance, a seller or portable fan shook their head with a wise line, lamenting that when advertising their newly launched Amazon products, they could only come up with 3 keyword targets after much deliberation. Fan, leg fan, and portable fans, a time-consuming and inefficient process. The cost of trial and error were starting, making it extremely difficult to quickly and effectively pinpoint the right keywords. All these hardships faced by sellers on Amazon are not uncommon. With market saturation and intensified competition, sellers in need to push through into product promotion and advertising to grasp traffic and profits. Fortunately, Amazon's sponsored products SP has recently launched 2 new features: Keywords Grow Better, optimized campaign promotion, to help sellers improve operational efficiency and easily target words. Let's take a look at these new features together. Feature 1. Keywords Grow Better. No more hesitation in finding and selecting keywords. Simply click to unlock the keyword magic box. By using the keyword Grow Better, can easily target the keyword that the highly relevant to the promoted ASIN category or band, as well as keywords associated with gift attributes. This simplified keywords targeting methods can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your product promotion campaigns. Keywords Grow Better simplify keywords targeting. Keywords related to the band. Keywords consumers often use to search for the seller brand. This set of keywords can help sellers gain more exposure opportunity for brand trends, achieving brand building and brand perception. Keywords related to product category. Popular keywords consumers often use to search the product in the same category as the promoted ASIN. Keyword related to gifts. Keywords related to the promoted ASIN that customers use the searching for gifts. Targeting this set of keywords can help sellers reach potential customers with gift buying intention during major holidays, such as Christmas, New Year's, and throughout the year. The system automatically adjusts and optimizes to site traffic opportunity in real time. The number of keywords within each keyword group is not fixed. The system dynamically adjusts the special keywords in each group based on the ASIN characteristics, the performance of each keyword within the group, and change in search trends. The system ensures that each word in the group is highly relevant to the promoted ASIN and the group string, as well as high-performance keywords, and can promote capture the next popular customer search term to ensure sellers do not miss new traffic opportunity. Campaign setup is incredibly easy. No need to choose keyword match times. You don't need to select the word match times for your keywords groups. Amazon will automatically identify the most relevant customer search terms related to your keywords group and display your ads under those terms. Only 1 bid per group. You only need to provide 1 bid for each keyword group. Reference to the system's suggested bid as a reference. It is recommended to use the dynamic bidding up and down straightly, and the system will automatically adjust the performance of each keyword within a group. Real-time monitoring the file optimization. After the learn, keyword that has generated at least 1 click within the phrase will be displayed in search term report. You can use the search term report to measure the performance of these keywords. It is recommended to separately target the search term that performs well within the keywords package, and for those that do not perform well, you can set them to negative targeting. After understanding the advantage of the keywords phrase beta feature, let's take a look at a seller case to get a tangible sense of the function's powerful effects. Seller case: advertising strategy. The seller creates a separate advertising campaign for ASIN A using keyword relative to your product category, creating individual advertising campaigns with extra match, phrase match, and ball match. All 4 advertising campaigns maintain the same bid and bidding strategy with a duration set of 7 days. Advantage of keywords phrase beta, as shown in the table. Although the CPC for the keywords phrase advertising campaigns is the highest among the 4 campaigns, the overall ROAS is better that of the ball match, the phrase match campaigns, indicating that this feature has a good grade of keywords accuracy and relevance compared to extra match, although this a gap in click-through rate and ROAS. Keyword phrase advertising campaigns achieve a higher volume of impression within the same time frame, without the need for seller to manually select keywords. This feature can significantly improve operational efficiency. Keyword growth data is suitable for seller and how to active. Seller who should pay special attention and use this feature. Seller with insufficient advertising experience, unfamiliar with or not good at keyword targeting, or even those who has never tried keywords targeting. Seller managing a large number of ASINs without enough energy to correct and target keywords. Seller who want to save time and offer on operations. Seller who want to quickly and timely follow search chains to not miss any traffic opportunities. Feature entry: advertising packet, advertising console. Create a new advertising campaign. Product targeting SP advertising. Manual targeting, keyword targeting. Keyword growth data. Supported sites, US site. Feature 2. Optimized campaign promotion. Streamline is the keyword expansion process from automatic to manual to enhance operational efficiency. The search term report from automatic campaigns is an important source for many sellers to expand their keywords. To help sellers improve efficiency, starting from July this year, the optimized campaign promotion automatically selects high-performing customers, search terms and ASINs from automatical campaigns, and adds them to your manual campaigns with one click. Assisting sellers in efficiency and quickly expanding manual keywords and product placements. Optimize campaign promotion usage step. Step 1. Filter and add qualified. High performance search term ASIN. You can click on suggested keyword, ASIN card, or set custom conditions through the filter screen out of keyword and ASINs, and click Add the targeting to exiting the group. Step 2. Complete the setup for adding to the manual advertising campaigns according the system instruction. Optimize campaigns promotion feature. Entry the supported sites. In the advertising campaigns manager, select or create a new product advertising automatic campaign, negative to advertising group, search term page, and view the strategic keywords and preferred advertising product placement target cards. Currently, the optimized campaign promotion supports all sites. Product advertising automatically campaigns that conclude all the information about the new features of Amazon product advertising. It can help sellers effectively address the challenge of finding, expanding, and selecting keywords in keywords placement. Seller can actively try out the new feature to start keyword placement in more relaxed and efficient way. JiuFang will continue upgrade and integrate, keeping pace with new platform features to help seller business grow continually. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.